In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. If you work with lists of names, emails, product IDs, or any data set that grows over time, duplicates can sneak in and skew your results. The built-in Remove Duplicates tool in Google Sheets makes this quick, precise, and safe, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use it with confidence. Start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the area where duplicates might exist. You can click the letter at the top of a column to select the entire column, or click and drag to highlight a specific range of cells. If your duplicates should be detected across multiple columns, say both a first and last name together, make sure you include all of those columns in your selection so Sheets can compare the full set of values correctly. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu and click Data. From the drop-down, choose Data Cleanup. This opens a small menu of tools designed to tidy up your sheet without manual editing. Next, click Remove Duplicates. A dialog will appear that shows the columns in your selection. Here's where you confirm exactly what Google Sheets should scan. You'll see checkboxes for each column in your selected range. Leave checked the columns that matter for detecting duplicates, and uncheck any that shouldn't be part of the comparison. If your selection includes a header row, enable the option that indicates your data has headers so the header isn't treated like regular data. With the right columns selected, click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will quickly scan your selection, keep the first instance it finds for each unique set of values, and remove any additional duplicates. You'll get a summary message telling you how many duplicate rows were found and removed, and how many unique rows remain. This operation only affects the range you selected, so the rest of your sheet stays untouched. A few tips as you work. If you realize you needed to include or exclude a column, or you selected the wrong range, simply press Undo to revert and run the tool again with the correct settings. Removing duplicates doesn't change your formatting, sorting, or formulas outside the selected range, and it's a great habit to make sure your selection accurately reflects how you define a duplicate in your context. That's it. With just a few clicks, your list is cleaned up and ready for accurate analysis and reporting.